Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making vegan holiday inspired drinks. Going to be starting off with this dark chocolate mint hot cocoa. I forgot to record the brands, but I will leave them all in the description or in the comments below. These are vegan, but they are not in any way, shape, or form healthy. I'm not going to market them as healthy, but they're definitely drinks that comforted me, definitely delicious, made me feel cozy. And you know what? It's once in a blue moon that you have things like this, so you might as well enjoy them. Next, my personal favorite, the Snickerdoodle Dalgona iced coffee or whipped iced coffee. I cannot believe that quarantine started with the trend of making whipped iced coffee, and here we are still in quarantine. I figured this was a perfect time to revisit the beginning of quarantine and make this drink again with a holiday twist. Snickerdoodles are my favorite cookies, or at least one of my favorite cookies, so this was a really great way to do it. Anybody that knows me knows I'm extra. You definitely do not need a hand mixer, but I do not have the arm strength to mix this with a spoon. The whipped coffee on its own, as deceiving as it may be, is not sweet and delicious. It definitely needs to be mixed into the beverage. People just leave it like this for the aesthetics, but definitely mix it. And this was actually my favorite because it was not too sweet. I do not love sweet things. The oat milk that I used was actually from Trader Joe's. One of their holiday oat milks. It was a maple oat milk, which gave it kind of an additional holiday flair. Like I said, I will go ahead and leave that all in the comments or in the description. And last but not least, this caramel chai London fog. Of course, like I said earlier, I am extra, so I went ahead and ground all the spices together, only because I do like to sip the spices at the end, but if they're too big, it kind of is gross. You don't want to be sipping or crunching on things, so I got them as fine as I possibly could. Depending on how sweet you like it, you could even add sugar to this part, and there are chai mixes that exist out there, but some of them are just too sweet for my liking. You know, if you already have all these spices, why not make it yourself? For this recipe, I actually used soy milk, but I definitely recommend using something thicker like oat milk, only because the soy milk didn't really give me the creaminess that I was looking for, especially when I was frothing it for the top, but it was still delicious nonetheless. Alright, this was a short one, but that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.